Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the further concept of a set, right? Okay, in last previous videos we have discussed that the concept of a set. Okay, in that concept of set we have studied representing of a set or methods of a set or forms of a set we have studied in the previous videos. Okay, in this video we will discuss with the further concept of a set. Okay, in the set the first one is empty set. First one is empty set, and the second one finite finite or infinite set. Finite and infinite set. Finite and infinite set. Okay, third one we will discuss about the equal set. Third one, equal set. Okay, before going to start these concepts, okay, once arguing the representation of a set and what is a set. Okay, we all know that set means a well-defined collection of objects. Okay, set means a well-defined collection of objects or collection of elements is known as a set, right? In that one, today we will discuss about the empty set. Today we will discuss about the empty set. Empty set. Okay, the name indicates that empty. We all know that empty means kali. Okay, there is a no element. There is a no element. Okay, not only definition. A set which does not contain any element, does not contain any element. A set which does not contain any element is called as an empty set. Is called as empty set. Empty set. Okay, the name indicates that empty set. Empty in the khali. Okay, empty set is another name. Okay, first see the definition. A set which does not contain any element. Okay, set ಅದ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ empty set. Okay, the name for this empty set, that is another name is null set. Null set, or we can call it as a void set also. Okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು name ಏನದ void set. Okay, null set ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ void set ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So a set which does not contain any element is called as an empty set, and null set a void set ಅಂತನೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, the set is denoted by make a star mark. The set is denoted by, ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ phi. Okay, you can pronounce this one as a phi, or you have to write empty braces ಇಂದ ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, or pi ಇಂದ represent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is called as a empty set. Okay, not only the solution, this definition of an empty set. I will give examples after this one. Okay, after these three definitions, I will give an example for each one. What is the empty set? What is the finite and infinite set? And what are the examples of the equal set? Okay, next, moving to the finite set. Okay, finite set. A set which is empty, or a set which is empty or contains 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 or consists of definite number of elements, number of elements are objects, number of elements is called finite set, is called as a finite set, otherwise it is a infinite set. Otherwise infinite set. Okay, see, finite name indicates that finite ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾರ, finite ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾರ ಏನಂತ, a set which is a empty set. So ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, empty set is also a finite set. Empty set is also a finite set. Okay, and the set consisting of a definite number of, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ a natural numbers, okay, we can count up to how much, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, and so on. Infinity means it is a infinite set, right? So infinite set ಅಂದ್ರೆ infinity number of elements ಇರಬೇಕು. Finite ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to count those numbers. Okay, definite number of elements like 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 30, 1 to 1000, 1 to 2000, like numbers we can count those numbers is called as a finite set. Okay, infinite number ಅಂದ್ರೆ infinity dot 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 ಅಂತ infinity ಬರೀತೀವಲ್ಲ, those are all called infinite set ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Next, okay, equal set. Okay, the name indicates that equal. So we know that the equal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. We have to compare between the two sets. Okay, equal ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we have to compare between ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ನಡುವೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ by writing no definition of a set, equal set we have to take a two set, we have to consider two sets. There are two sets A and B. Okay, I am taking two sets. They are, one is named after A and another is a B. Are said to be equal. Okay, are said to be equal if they have exactly the same element. Said to be equal if they have same elements, if they have exactly the same elements, and we write as A is equal to B. Okay, this is equal symbol indicates P. Okay, otherwise we can call it as, otherwise the sets are said to be not equal, or unequal sets. Okay, ನಮಗೆ equal set ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we know that equality between two elements, two sets. Okay, here I am taking set A and set B are two elements, two sets A and B. ಈ A and B ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅವ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, same elements. Okay, suppose set A containing, I am writing here set A is equal to 1 2 3. Okay, and a set B is also containing 3 2 1. Okay, according to definition ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ A ಮತ್ತು B ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ they have exactly same elements. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ one ಅದರೊಳಗೆ elements ಏನು 1 2 and 3, and the B also containing 3 2 1. Both are same elements na. Here not counting number of elements, same elements. Here is a 3 is there, here also 3 is there, here 2 is there, here also 2 is there, here also 1 is there, inside B also 1 is there. So therefore it is called as a equal set. If suppose set A has a 2 elements, that is a 1 and 2. Set B has a 1 2 3. Here 1 is there, here 1 is there, here 2 is there, here 2 is there. But the 3 containing in a B, but it is not in a A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ಯದ ಸೆಟ್ B ಒಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ, A ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. we can call it as a unequal set ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, pause the video and note down the definitions. Next, see the examples of an empty set. Here I am given two examples of an empty set. The first one is set A, that is x such that 1 is a less than x is a less than 2. X is a natural number. Okay, first observe here 1 is a less than x is a less than 2. And in between what is the x is there? The x is the natural number. We all know that the natural numbers are of the form 1 2 3 4 so on up to infinity. These are all called as a natural number. So in between 2 and 1, any natural number is there? No, na? So even this set can be represented as a is equal to empty braces, or we can write this one as a pi. Okay, 1 and 2 nadu enagra elements of a natural number, there is no elements between 1 and 2, therefore it is an empty set. Or we can write this one as a 3 is a less than x is a less than 4 also. So in between 3 and 4, any natural number is there here? No, no. Therefore that is also be a empty set. So we know that the empty set is represented by a flower braces. That is a flower braces. Either we can write by a symbol pi. This a pi symbol indicates that is a null set or a empty set, or we can call it as a void set also. Okay, next observe second example. Here p is equal to x such that x is an even prime number greater than 2. Okay, before going to solve this one, we have to know prime number. Okay, prime numbers. Okay, in first class we have discussed about the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Okay, once I will remember those one. Okay, prime number means, yeah, the prime number means the number cannot be divided by, cannot be divisible by any number. Either it is a divisible by 1 or it is half. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಎರಡೇ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ತನ್ನ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ತಾನಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ 1 2 3 5 7 9 11 13 17 19 so on up to infinity ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Here 1 is divisible by here 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ, sorry 2 is divisible by 2, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರಿಂದ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಭಾಗ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 3 also same, but 4 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 4 is divisible by 2 ನ 2 ones are 2 2s are, so ಅದು 4 ಅನ್ನೋದು divisible ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು divisible ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 7 ಅನ್ನೋದು divisible, so on up to. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ even numbers ಅಲ್ಲ, observe ಮಾಡೋಣ, even numbers we have to observe even number except in a prime number, except 2 is there is no even numbers in a prime numbers, only ಈ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು prime number. ಉಳಿದ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, b is equal to empty set pi. we can write pi. 2 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರುವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ if suppose 1000 is that, right? 1000 this is a even number, ಸಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. ಇದನ್ನ 2 ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇರಲಿ 2 ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವ, ಸಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ x is a even prime number greater than 2. ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, empty set or void set, or we can call it as a null set also. Next, moving to the finite or infinite. Okay, next finite and infinite set. Okay, infinite set. Okay, the definition says that this one is a set B is equal to empty set. Is this one is a finite set or not? Okay, the definition says that empty set is also a finite set. This empty set is also a finite set, right? Okay, next example. Okay, next I am writing W is a x such that x is a days in a week. X is a days of the week. Days of the week. We can define x is a days of the week. Okay, ವಾರದೊಳಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವೀಕ್ ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಂಡೇ, ಮಂಡೇ, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ, ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ, ಫ್ರೈಡೇ, ಸಾಟರ್ಡೇ. ಸೊ we can count these values. Therefore it is a finite number. ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, finite number, countable elements. Okay, infinite ಅಂದ್ರೆ example, you can find infinite examples for infinite set. Okay, next equal set. I show that equal set. Okay, equal set, that is a is equal to 1 2 3 4 and b is equal to 3 4 1 2, right? Okay, observe here these two sets. In these two sets the elements are 4. B containing a 4 element as well as a 4 containing element. And observe the elements present in a set A. Set A ಒಳಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ elements ಅದು 1 2 3 4. ಅವು B ಒಳಗವ ಅವ. Therefore 1 2 3 4 is called as a, these two sets are equal sets. If suppose the set is of the form set C is equal to 1 2 3 4 and set B is equal to A B C D. Okay, if these two sets are equal set? No, because the set C containing a different element and the set B also containing a different element. ಎರಡು set A ನವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ elements contain ಅವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we can say this one as a set C and set B are unequal set. Set C and set B are unequal set. Why? Because set C containing a different elements and set B also containing a different elements. Therefore, those two are unequal sets. Okay, pause the video and note down the examples. Okay, we have discussed that empty set, finite set, and infinite set, and equal set, right? Okay, in these three definitions, by using those three definitions, we have exercise 1.2. We have exercise 1.2. Okay, in this exercise 1.2, the first question is, which of the following are examples of the null set? We know that the null set means empty set, right? Or we can call it as a void set also. We can call it as a void set. Okay, in these examples, we have to identify, only we have to identify which is the empty set, which is not a empty set. We have to just identify, and I will explain, I will justify those why these examples are a empty set anta kariತೀವಿ, ಅವನ್ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ empty set ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So set of first one observe ಮಾಡಿ. So observe carefully. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Okay, first odd natural numbers. Okay, ಬೇಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. ಬೇಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವ? Odd natural numbers there are 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19 so up to infinity ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ 2 ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಭಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ? Okay, to all numbers divide these numbers by 2. If any ಯಾವ ತರ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ? ಈ 2 ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್. There is a no number is there such as the odd natural number which is divisible by 2. Therefore the first one is empty set. Okay, odd natural numbers ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ divisible ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So this one is a empty set. So this set is represented by a empty braces, or we can write this one as a pi. Okay, next set of even prime numbers. Okay, already last example we have discussed that the prime numbers are 2 3 5 7 9. Okay, either way even prime number, there is a one prime number is there, that is a 2 ಅನ್ನೋದೇನ even number, and it is also a prime number. ಈಗ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು prime number ಅದ, ಅದು even prime number. Therefore 2 containing in a set. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರ್ತಾದ. So 2 ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು empty set ಆಗ್ತದ. So this one is not a empty set. Okay, next x is a natural numbers. X is a less than 5 and x is a greater than 7. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. X is a natural number. Natural number means we know that there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so on up to infinity. ಈ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 7 is less than x, x is less than 5. 7 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತಾವ? 8 9 10 so on up to. ಮತ್ತು 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತಾವ? 1 2 3 4. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ? ಈ x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನದ? in between 7 and 5. ಓಕೆ, in between 7 and 5. 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು 7 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಇದು ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 9 ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನದ? 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, 7 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we cannot write a such set. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ನಂಬರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತಾವ? 1 2 3 4 ಅವು ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 7 the least number is 7. 7 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಅಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ observe fourth one. What is the point common to any two parallel lines? Okay, parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we know that these two are parallel. Okay, ಎರಡು straight lines moving with the same direction and the same speed ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತವ? parallel lines, side by side lines. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೇ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಾಕ ಎಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ 2 laser lights, laser beam. ಓಕೆ, ಲೇಸರ್ ಬೀಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ತರ ಲೇಸರ್ ಬೀಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ? ಎರಡೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ಅವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? ಅವು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆದಾಗ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅವು ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತವ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರೊಳಗ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So first one, we know definition. Finite means the set containing finite or countable or defined definite number of elements ಇರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, finite number. Otherwise it is called as an infinite number. Okay, the set of months of a year. Okay, the set of months of a year ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂಗಳುಗಳ ಹೆಸರು. We know that the names are, now first let's ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಜನವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್, ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್, ಮೇ, ಜೂನ್, ಜುಲೈ, ಆಗಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್, ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್, ನವೆಂಬರ್, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಅವ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ 12 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಅವ. ಸೊ ಈ 12 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as a finite set. The first one is finite set. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ countable number of elements, that is January, February, March, April, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, countable ಅಲ್ಲ. So that is called as a finite set. Next, observe here 1 2 3 dot 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 dot. It means that ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ up to infinity ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? up to infinity. That is 1 2 3 so on up to infinity. So on up to infinity means we can't count, we can't define those one. So define ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, infinite set. So this second one set is called as an infinite set. Okay, right. Okay, next observe third one, 1 2 3 so on up to 9900. Okay, the last element is 100. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಕೌಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, 100 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ 100. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 100. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 2 3 ಸೊ ಅಪ್ ಟು 100. 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೌಂಟ್, ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, finite set. That is called as a finite set. So this third one is called as a finite set. Okay, next moving with the fourth one, the set of positive integers greater than 100. So the set of positive integers greater than 100 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ can I write this one as 101 102 103 so up to infinity ತನಕ ಏನಾಗ್ತವ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ತನಕ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as a infinite set. Okay, next fifth one, the set of prime numbers less than 99. Okay, already in last example we have discussed prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? That prime numbers means the number which can divisible by itself and which is divisible by 1 only. Okay, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ 2 3 5 7 9 is divisible by 3. So 11 13 17 19 23 so on up to ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರ್ತವ 97. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 97 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ which cannot be divisible by any other number except 97 and 1. therefore it is a finite number. This is the countable elements. Okay, okay, or take a screenshot of this one and note on the solutions in our reader. Okay, just you have to identify this one. Okay, the remaining questions will be discussed in the next video. That is tomorrow video. We will discuss the remaining questions regarding to exercise 1.12. Okay, so before writing this, you have to write the notes of this one, right? So pause the video and note on the solutions. Okay. Once completion of this video, write the notes of this exercise and read the definition carefully. Okay, in this exercise and the previous exercise, there is only definitions. They are important to identify the set. Which type of a set is there? So you have to read this definition of exercise 1.2. Thank you.